Garlic and ginger are two popular ingredients that have been used for centuries in traditional medicine and cooking. Here are some potential benefits of consuming garlic and ginger together. 1. Provides anti-inflammatory benefits. Both garlic and ginger have been shown to reduce markers of inflammation in humans. 2. Helps regulate blood sugar levels. Garlic increases insulin levels in the blood, which can aid with diabetic management. 3. Ginger can be helpful in digestion by controlling high sugar levels. 3. May improve brain function. Regularly consuming garlic and ginger or taking garlic and ginger supplements may help protect your brain and improve cognition. 4. May help protect against cancer. Both garlic and ginger contain compounds that have been shown to have anti-cancer properties. 5. May boost heart health. Garlic has been shown to lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and decrease the risk of heart disease. Ginger has also been shown to have beneficial effects on heart health by reducing blood pressure and improving circulation. Ingredients: garlic, ginger,